Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February 27, 2022. Let's talk about Litecoin today. You guys can see on my price chart that I did do a price prediction for Litecoin on February the 7th. Here we are today towards the end of the month. I want to come in and talk to you all about where I think market is going to go now so that we can still be in position to capitalize on the price movement in Litecoin. I mean, is a breakout coming? Do you guys suspect that this market of Litecoin is ready for a move higher? We're going to show you all that today on this chart so that we can be prepared for it. Now, before I get started on that, if today's your first time seeing my videos, my content, hearing my voice, and you all appreciate how someone is actually out here in the cryptocurrency space dropping price prediction on price charts, join the team. Yeah, join the community. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I want to enlarge this community of individuals who is looking to forecast price movements. Like, there's so many doubters out there because they think that you can't do this. Well, I've been doing this for a while and I've been showing you all that you can. So make sure you hit me up, keep it locked in here to ensure you guys stay updated as to where these cryptocurrencies are going to go. Now, like I said, I did a video on February the 7th for Litecoin, and take a look. I was trying to play the strength into the market in Litecoin, right? I was looking for the price to go up. You could go back and listen and still see the video to this day. Every price prediction that I do is in a playlist. So go back and listen to my Litecoin playlist to see what was said regarding this currency movement, because we didn't have long. So if you guys saw the video after February the 11th, then yeah, you probably didn't get the opportunity to at least take the bag right there at 140. I was telling you all $140 would be the first price target for us to try to nibble and take the bread. Yeah, take it from the market and place it into our accounts. That was 3 days following my price prediction. That was the only opportunity we had to eat into the market, because since then price has been coming down in Litecoin. So that's around 10.25% profitability in that space. If you didn't do it and you were to get out now, you're down 15. Yeah, but that doesn't mean that the market is still weak though. Just because we've been noticing the market in Litecoin holding this trend, like the price has been maintaining itself above $105. That's going to be real vital going forward for us to see this market break out in Litecoin and go up. We need to see this. Yes, I know the market has been coming down lately, but for us to notice buyers keeping this market price propped up on this horizontal line, it gives us all the information we really need. It lets us know that the buyers are willing to hold price in Litecoin above 105. They have to show us this for us to know that price is stable at least, and that the prospect of higher prices is still on the table. We need to see these events occur, and right now we're seeing it. So that's very good. Now I want to transition over to a different time frame though, all right, because I really want us to notice how strong is this market in Litecoin. So now let me bring this down just a little bit, because we got a couple of trading days, maybe on the 21st of January and then on the 23rd of January, then just a couple of days ago on the 23rd of February, this market in Litecoin wanted to bounce around 100. Okay, so give me that, give me about 100 to 105 as the location to where we need to see the market buyers keep price from falling. Those are the price levels. Now let's see though. Let me show you all the weekly time frame in Litecoin first. You guys can see that what we have right now is a probable precursor of strength, meaning in the next week, the next weekly price bar that is going to form is going to have to close higher than its current weekly price bar. It's just that simple. Because guess what? If it does, we know that the buyers are still controlling this market in Litecoin. Yep, we still get that. Now, you guys can see that we're seeing about the same amount of volume this week as to what we saw last week. So the buyers are still stepping into the market in Litecoin. 2-week time frame. Let's see this one. Do you see any indication that the market is overly strong? Because I don't. I'm gonna keep it real. I do see some slight strength on smaller time frames, but as I zoom out from a weekly to 2 weeks, I still see a pretty decent amount of weakness as well too. So let's see this here on the monthly. I don't like that monthly chart. I'm gonna keep it real. I don't like it. So from a monthly perspective, Litecoin is still weak. So if you're trying to hold the play longer than a month, I'm here to tell you today that this is weak. This is not a very positive chart right now in Litecoin from a monthly perspective. It looks terrible. This is it on the 2 months, right? Look at that. So don't try to get complacent. Don't think that the weakness is done, because these longer time frames is definitely showing us that weakness is present. All right. So if I do play the strength into the market in Litecoin, and it's going to be just on a daily basis, meaning you don't want to hold this long, meaning you want to come in, see the price go up to 120 and take the profit and move on and be satisfied, and don't try to be greedy, because this is how the market works. This is how it tries to play us. You see the price go up drastically, you want to keep it on just a little while longer to inch out a 1 more percentage profit, and then the market completely goes against you. Let's look at this on the hourly real quick. Okay, so I do like the hourly time frame here into the market in Litecoin. I still think that there's some gas in the tank, but not that much gas. I think the market may try to run out around 115 and 120, right? It looks as if the market in Litecoin may run out of gas at those price levels. I mean, we already saw it get rejected here. Let me zoom in so you all can see. We saw the price in Litecoin get rejected already at 115. That's an indication that the sellers are prowling around around 115. So you need to be careful. 5-hour time frame. Let me know. What do you think? Is the price weak? Is the price strong? Because I really see some restriction around here. Okay. This is a near-term area of restriction into the market in Litecoin. We got to see the price break 112. Just like we saw here. There was a lid placed into the market in Litecoin here. It wasn't allowing the price to break above 112. And then we did. So we need to see that again in Litecoin going forward. I mean, we're about to impart on that operation right now, right? Then the next level is definitely at 116, 115. Now, let me show you what my expectations are into the market in Litecoin first. Okay. So I'm going to play some strength here into the market in Litecoin. I'm going to look for the price to go up, but I'm not going to be massively bullish. No, I've told you that from a monthly time frame and a 2 months time frame that this chart is weak. So I'm not trying to hold this play that long. I'm not trying to hold this price prediction that long. It's going to have to be from a daily basis, right? We already saw how 116, 115 is restriction. That's going to be the first issue. That's going to be the first location for us to come through and nibble and take the bag. We got to take the bag while we got the opportunity, because you overstay your welcome, you end up losing. So right there, 116, 115 is the first spot. 7.25%, right? Second area is 120. I know it's only 11%, but hey, as long as you come out more with what you went into with, this is the name of the game. This is how this game is supposed to be played. As long as you're winning, as long as you're getting profit, there's no issues with how much you make, because there will always be other opportunities where you can get more. So that's 11% there, right? And that's probably about it, because that's a pretty strong area of restriction into the market in Litecoin. I mean, look at this. This goes all the way back to like the beginning of last year, to which the market was holding support at 120. Now I'm suspecting that that's going to be weakness. All right. So that's about it. So let me zoom in so you all can see. 2 price targets, 115, 116, first area price target. Second area is around 120. All right. Now, as long as price holds $100, 105, we're going to continue to trade sideways, and the prospect of going up is therefore still on the table. Now, this is my thoughts, my price prediction. What is yours? Drop me a comment real quick and let me know, what do you think the price in Litecoin is going to do going forward? Boom, done. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.